Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. We've got an experienced technician here installing our windows. So first thing he does, he puts some foam tape around as a sealant. After they install the windows, all of the windows. So you've got not only a foam tape and you've got a ring sucking that frameless window onto the outer fiberglass. Once that comes back from paint, they put another sealant on around as another water barrier. So you're getting a really good tight fit sealed window onto that. Not only is it a good insulated window, it's a double pane window. And also along with the wall insulation, you're getting a really good insulated unit.